Okay, the purpose of this video is instructions on how to submit your projects from your website to Canvas for grading. Once you have your project title, your image or images, video if required, and your build steps on your website and completed, you want to select Publish on your website. In this window here, we want to make sure we select and highlight the published URL. We're going to copy it, Control-C on your keyboard. Go to Canvas. In Canvas, select the project you're working on. And then in the upper right corner, it should say Submit Assignment instead of New Attempt. And then you're going to select that. Yes. And in this website URL, we want to paste Control-V from our keyboard, paste our website URL, and then Submit Assignment. And that is everything. Just make sure you do that for every project so that we can get it graded. You do not have to resubmit. If you've made changes to your website, it'll show up when I select your website URL. Thank you.